In this video, I will show you how to use the Wise digital card in store. So by doing this, you can pay with your digital card in store. So what you want to do first is open up the Wise app. And then once you're here in the home screen, go ahead and click on card in the bottom. Now right here I have this digital card and I want to use this in store. So to do this, as you can see, it says add to Apple Wallet if you have an iPhone. If you're using an Android, it will say add to Google Pay. So go ahead and click on that. Then make sure it's the correct card, and if it is, click on next. Now click on agree. And now the card has been added. So now you can make it your default card if you want. I will click not now. And now when I double click on my on and off button right here, you can see I now have the Wise digital card right here and I can pay with this in store. So that's how you can use the Wise digital card in store. If this video was helpful, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.